Hi y'all, welcome to 4C Farms. My name is John, and behind me is my 2008 Mercury Grand Marquis. The left-hand high beam headlight doesn't work, and only the left-hand high beam doesn't work. Yes, I've already put new bulbs in it. No, it still doesn't work. We're going to see if we can fix it. Let's get to work. So these cars are notoriously bad about having bad lighting control modules. And I've already taken it out. I don't know if you're going to be able to see or not. But I took it out and looked in the wiring diagram. It's, in there somewhere. And according to the wiring diagram, maybe we can not fall over. According to the wiring diagram, the wire that I need is this violet and yellow wire right here. So I got this power probe. Man, this thing is wonderful. I put it in there. It's just showing to have some ground right now because we got resistance. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply 12 volts to this wire and see if the high beam comes on. So let me get you up here where you can see the high beam where it matters. Look at there. So the bulb is good and all the wiring leaving the lighting control module is good. Now, I know all the wiring coming into the control module is good because the right-hand high beam works. Okay, so I got this thing all took apart and you can see right in here. It's been worked on before. All these fresh solder joints and all this epoxy type stuff that's on the circuit board's been scraped away. Wouldn't you know it, right when I need them, I left my glasses laying somewhere and I just can't find them. So I can see it, but not little teeny cracks in the solder. So I got my digital multimeter here and I'm going to hook it up to the pin on this connector where that violet and yellow wire connects. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to see if any of these solder joints that have been worked on have continuity to this pin. And then we'll kind of investigate more from there. Oh, now I'm all tangled up. That's a resistor. We got kilo ohms. Comes here. I have looked this thing over to the nth degree, and I cannot find a broken solder joint on it anywhere. I keep looking because I'm hopeful. But once we get into all these little resistors and transistors and microprocessors and all that, I'm out. I can solder up a busted joint, but that's about it. So I thought that I would maybe hook up power and ground to this module and power it out here and see if I can't figure out exactly where it's bad in this board. But I got to looking at the wiring diagram. There's 6 or 7 powers coming in and just as many grounds, and I don't know which does which. I don't have any kind of schematic for any of this. If I did, I probably wouldn't be able to read it anyways. So I don't know. I might try plugging it into the car all opened up like this and see if I can pinpoint the issue that way. Back probe the wire that plugs into the offending light here, and then see if I can't figure out what's going on that way. But beyond that, I think I'm just going to have to call this one dead and order a new one. So I guess let me plug it into the car and see if I can figure it out from there. Goodness. Ding, 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 ding. I guess I could have unhooked that. I'm still considering this thing dead, but my curiosity got the best of me. Where it is? Right there. This little doo-ditty is a transistor. And if you look at it real close, if I can get this thing to focus, you can see it's burnt. It's got holes in it. That's the problem. So for me, this circuit board's dead. You know, I guess I could go find a Radio Shack if there are still any of those and probably buy a transistor and muddle my way through soldering one end, but yeah, probably not. Make a video about not fixing this car. Okay. Let's make sure it works as good as it did before I messed with it. Low beam, parking lights. Tail lights. No high beam. That high beam. Well, it doesn't have a light under the hood. How about that? Dome light action. left turn, right turn. Kind of nervous about that right turn for a second. All right. Well, there you have it. We didn't fix it, but we know exactly what is wrong with it. I'll go ahead and get the part ordered. I'll either make it all one big video or make it two parts. I haven't made up my mind yet. At least now it works as good as it did before I messed with it. I sure appreciate y'all watching. We love y'all and God bless. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'd sure appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything. We'll see y'all next time.